Hey guys, Curtis Norton here. Listen, I'm so excited about the Core Champion Fitness System. And one of the things that I've been doing since this time, actually, it's been over 1 year that I've moved from this to this. And I'm excited about the journey, and I'm trying to challenge as many people as I can to invest in themselves and take back control of their health. And so this upcoming week, you're going to have the opportunity. I want you to check this out. It's the Core Champion Fitness System. And the CEO and founder, Earl Jenkins, is going to be with us. And we're excited about some of the things that he's going to be talking about that'll help you move from hope to transformation, that will help you move to a greater level in your health, a greater level in your development of your physical overall being, and then even more importantly, preparing to live your best life. You know, one of the things that I did with the assistance of the Core Champion Fitness System, I moved from literally 3 suit sizes, and I found myself in a place where now everything I've been able to bless and to give away, because I am not going back. So accept the challenge, make the choice now, and you'll never be the same. Take advantage and do yourself a wonderful favor, particularly